Scientists from Geograph Marine Research were conducting a routine drone survey in Australia's Leschenault estuary when their camera recorded a strange sight on the ocean's surface. At first glance, it looked like a bottlenose dolphin playing with her 2-week-old calf, repeatedly lifting it on her head and balancing it at the water's surface. However, when researchers zoomed in and looked closely, they were shocked. The calf was completely motionless and not breathing. It was dead. Yet this mother, known to scientists as Fraggle, refused to let her lifeless calf sink into the ocean depths. The real question was, how long would this mother keep her calf afloat, and do animals experience deep grief and pain just like humans? After this video went viral, several exaggerated claims began circulating on the internet. Some claimed the dolphin swam for 11 days without eating, while others confused her with an orca. According to marine researchers in Western Australia, Fraggle held her lifeless calf at the surface for a total of 6 days. Whenever the calf began to sink, Fraggle would push it back up using her head and rostrum. Biologically, dolphins are warm-blooded mammals that breathe with lungs. When a calf is alive, the mother brings it to the surface so it can take its first breath. But even after the calf died, Fraggle's brain was not ready to accept that her baby was no longer in this world. During this entire event, researchers observed another astonishing detail. Fraggle was not alone in the sea. Other dolphins from her pod, her community, swam alongside her. They did not disturb Fraggle or try to separate her from her calf. They simply swam with her, matching her pace. In scientific research, this is known as epimeletic behavior, where an animal provides support to another distressed individual. This clearly demonstrates that these creatures of the sea not only experience individual grief, but also have a strong system of empathetic support within their community. Is the dolphin the only animal that exhibits such grief? In 2018, along the American Pacific coast, an orca mother named Tahlequah by scientists carried her dead calf through the ocean for 17 days over nearly 1,600 kilometers, an event researchers dubbed the Tour of Grief. Older generations of scientists believed anthropomorphism, attributing human emotions to animals, was an incorrect approach, arguing that animals act purely on instinct. However, modern marine biology and drone documentation have changed that perspective. Factual evidence now proves that grief and emotional attachment in marine mammals are just as real as they are in humans. Fraggle's 6-day journey teaches us that true empathy isn't just about solving someone's problem, but standing by them during their difficult times. According to marine researchers, these marine animals urgently need our conservation efforts and plastic-free oceans so that their future generations remain safe. What are your thoughts on this natural behavior and animal emotions? Be sure to share your opinion in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next surprising video. Take care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.